My name is VIvaan and you are watching my channel VIvaan means Arts and Technology. So in this video we are going to start with list function in Python. So now we are on our desktop screen, and as I have told you before that in today's video we are going to start with the Python list, and I just want to tell you that why we use list. So we use list to store a large number of data type. If for example, if you are 4 friends and you want to store your favorite food items, so you will not create each and every variable and or do operations with them. You can create a list and put it all the 4 food items in that list. And let's take one more example. Your teacher has given you a project that create a Python program in which all the students of school marks contain, and you have to print it. So if your class contain of your school contain 100 or 200, actually it's not clear, if it will obviously more than 2000, but we are taking 100 and 200 students, so you are not going to create 100 and 200 variable or going to write 100 and 200 marks. You are just going to create one list. So it is a very versatile data type that can help you with these problems. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into our video. Before starting, I just want to tell that please see my tutorial Python programming from first tutorial to 10th tutorial. This is 11th tutorial, and I have tell each and everything how to install Python, which IDE should use, what are the Python basics, why we use Python, and many more. And if you are not aware to VIvaan official website, you can just type vivaanmat.com. you can see my videos on my website. You can contact me by filling out this form. You can get the source code of each and every video. I have updated the source code of yesterday's video also. So let's go to our tutorial directory, and in the tutorial directory I have been keeping all the files in our from our Python programming tutorial, and the tutorial directory is placed in the document. So the directory will be home VIvaan documents tutorial. Let's just right click in the directory and click the option of open in terminal. Just write terminal in touch. And if you are not aware of a touch command, touch is a command that help you to create any kind of files through your terminal. So we are creating touch lst.py. lst full form of short form of list. So it has been lst.py has been created. We can use ls command to see lst.py, or you can open your file explorer. So now we are just gonna open lst.py with our Sublime text editor. I'm going to quit our terminal and file explorer and start without wasting any time. Just started writing the code. So as I've told that what is list and how it can help you, so just without wasting any time, create a list which will be let it be junk food equal to, and the list always start with large brackets, double inverted comma, burger, or let's give up the food. Let's start with grocery. Food doesn't have many options, but grocery have many options. You can write something like detergent, or any soap, or cleaner. So I think 3 are enough for now. We will add on by the functions later on in this video. So we will print our list, which is grocery. Save this, open the terminal and write python 3 lst.py, and our list has been printed. So this is a list of strings. Now we can sort the list with printing grocery and putting large bracket after the grocery and putting any number. Any number means the list number. 0, 1, 2 means only 0, 1, 2 can be here. If you will add any number beyond this, it will just simply throw an error. Let's first print soap, which will be 1 because detergent is 0, soap is 1, cleaner is 2. Saving this, again run this, and it is printing the soap. So let's copy this line, enter, and line 3. Just I am commenting this out for the reference of the source code, that you can get each and every source code. And now we are just printing detergent, which is 0, and it will print detergent. So I hope you are clear how can we print individual item from a list. So we can just create another list which will be of integers, and just comment this out, because list we have to do many functions with list. So for not confusing, I am just commenting out the functions that has been done and discussed till now. So we are just gonna create numbers equal to just 8, 2, 10, 28, 14. I think that much is enough for now. And we are just gonna print numbers. So this is also a list, so that has been printed. Now the functions with the list, we are going to start number list. Actually, no, it will not work on string list, only integer list. So I'm commenting this out, and first of all we can just remove something. Numbers dot remove. So what we are going to remove, which is 8. So the updated value will be 8. Now we are going to run this program, nothing will gonna happen. See, it ended. But if we are going to print numbers now, and save it and then run it, so see, 8 is not there now. So we can also add something, just numbers dot insert. Actually, insert or append. Let's start with append 8 again. Now we are going to print numbers. Let's just copy this so we can print numbers again and again. So 8 is again here, and you are thinking that why 8 is not there. The 8 was here starting and here only in the list. But append means in end. Actually, let's start it. Append contains the word end and app. App means add and end means at the end. So it adds any letter or string in the end. Add end means the 8 will be in end, or 9 will be in end, or 14 will be in end. If we are gonna put anything else, also 98, so 14 will be after 98, but it will be in end. So but we can insert insert to just finish off this annoying appending at the end. We can use the command of insert 2 and 67. Let's take 2 and 67. Oh, we have to print it. I forgot it. Just then 2 and 67. It just print where anywhere in the list. Just so you can insert it, but you cannot do that if you want 2, or let's take 14 between 2 and 10, or but if you are using append, it will append at end. If you are using insert, it will insert randomly. You can't choose, you have to then do it manually like this. So these are the append and insert function, but there are many functions more, which are some of the numbers dot short. I hope many people got clear with the name short. It will just short for increasing order. See, 2, 10, 14, 14, 14, 28, 67, but our list 8, 2, 10, 14, 28, 14, 98, 8, 14, 2, 67. It just arrange it in an increasing order. If we are just gonna put dot reverse, it will put our list in decreasing order. Oh, sorry, I think spelling of reverse. Or actually, I just forgot to enter and start a new line. That happens several times. So see, it is now in decreasing order. So these are the functions that can be used in the lists, and we can use one more function, which is pop numbers dot pop. See, this is also just doing it in a decreasing order. But you can use it anytime. It means you can use reverse also, you can use pop also. So that's it for today's video. We will just meet tomorrow, and for today's video the homework project is use these all functions in your list by creating a list, and you can just you can create a whole full good program that taking input that this is the list, which one of the have you purchased, or if you are obviously if you are on shopping, so which have you purchased, the person will input a number and that will be get removed from the list. So this is the homework. So that's it for today. Just meet tomorrow.